When you're looking for a smart way to upgrade your Fayetteville home, slider windows stand out as one of the most practical and stylish options available. Designed to glide horizontally along a track, these windows offer a sleek modern look while delivering impressive everyday convenience. Whether you're hoping to boost comfort, increase airflow, or enhance energy efficiency, slider windows bring significant value to homes throughout the Fayetteville area. Effortless operation for daily convenience. One of the best advantages of slider windows is how easy they're to use. Because the sashes move smoothly side to side, you don't have to worry about pushing, lifting, or cranking mechanisms that wear out over time. This makes them especially beneficial for hard-to-reach areas such as above kitchen sinks or behind furniture. Fayetteville homeowners appreciate that slider windows allow quick opening with just a gentle nudge, perfect for anyone who wants simple, effortless ventilation. The user-friendly design is also ideal for busy households. Whether kids are opening windows for fresh air or adults are cleaning and maintaining the home, slider windows make everyday tasks easier without sacrificing durability or style. Maximized natural light and clear views with wide glass panels and minimal framing, slider windows are designed to bring abundant natural light into your living spaces. Fayetteville homes benefit greatly from this feature, especially in rooms that feel darker or smaller. The expansive glass helps brighten your interior, create a more open feel, and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. These windows also offer beautiful, unobstructed outdoor views. Whether you enjoy watching the sunrise, overlooking a backyard garden, or simply connecting more with nature, slider windows frame outdoor scenery like a clean, modern picture. Their wide-opening design also makes them ideal for capturing scenic Fayetteville landscapes. Improved ventilation and fresh airflow. Fayetteville's warm climate makes ventilation an essential part of comfortable living. Slider windows excel in this area by allowing you to open them as wide as you like, giving you full control over airflow. Because the window slides open horizontally, you can easily create a strong cross breeze when paired with other open windows. This makes slider windows particularly effective in living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens, anywhere you want quick, cooling airflow without relying heavily on your HVAC system. For families seeking a healthier home with better indoor air quality, the increased ventilation from slider windows is a major advantage. Energy efficiency that helps lower utility bills. Energy efficiency is a top priority for many Fayetteville homeowners, especially during hot summers and chilly winters. Modern slider windows often come with advanced insulation features such as double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and tight weather stripping. These upgrades help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By reducing how hard your heating and cooling systems have to work, you can enjoy more stable indoor temperatures and lower monthly energy bills. Slider windows offer a smart combination of comfort and cost savings, two benefits every homeowner can appreciate. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Unlike windows with springs or cranks, slider windows have fewer moving parts. This makes them easier to maintain and less likely to experience mechanical problems over time. A quick cleaning of the track and glass is usually all it takes to keep them performing smoothly. Many homeowners choose slider windows because they're built to last. With durable materials, weather-resistant construction, and sturdy frames, slider windows can stand up to Fayetteville's changing weather conditions while maintaining their performance and aesthetic appeal. A modern, stylish upgrade for any home. Finally, slider windows offer a clean, modern appearance that complements a wide range of architectural styles. Whether your Fayetteville home is traditional, contemporary, or somewhere in between, sliders add a fresh, streamlined look both inside and out. Their simple, horizontal design fits seamlessly into living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and even basements.